Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could transform your business strategy. For too long, we've assumed younger is always better. It's time to challenge that assumption. We're exploring the untapped potential of mature talent and making the business case for an aging workforce. Embracing experience can lead to a more resilient, innovative, and profitable organization. Get ready to reframe your perspective on what it means to have a high-performing team. What makes a great leader? Is it the ability to inspire and motivate a team? Youthful energy or years of experience? Perhaps it's a combination of both. True leadership comes from a deep understanding of people, processes, and the unwritten rules of an organization. It's about knowing how to navigate complex situations with ease. This is where mature talent shines, bringing a wealth of experience to the table. Older workers have honed their soft skills over decades, mastering the art of communication and conflict resolution. They've mastered communication and problem-solving that can't be taught in a seminar, skills that are invaluable in any organization. Think about the institutional knowledge within your most experienced employees. Their insights and historical perspective are irreplaceable. Companies like Merck recognize this with phased retirement programs, ensuring a seamless transfer of critical knowledge and expertise. This prevents the loss of invaluable expertise, ensuring that the organization's legacy and operational wisdom are preserved for future generations. In today's job market, retaining top talent is a challenge. Embracing an aging workforce can reduce employee turnover. Older workers often prioritize stability and loyalty. They're less likely to jump ship, reducing costs associated with recruiting and onboarding. This translates into significant savings and a more reliable workforce. Companies like Procter & Gamble retain valuable employees by offering flexible work arrangements and phased retirement options. This fosters a sense of loyalty and belonging, creating a workplace where experience is valued. Imagine a workplace where youthful energy is guided by seasoned veterans, creating a harmonious blend of innovation and experience. This is the power of mentorship in action, a dynamic process that benefits both the mentor and the mentee. Older workers, with their wealth of experience, are uniquely positioned to serve as mentors, offering insights that can't be found in textbooks. Think of it as a relay race, where knowledge and skills are passed seamlessly from one generation to the next, ensuring continuity and growth. EY's Next Gen program pairs junior staff with experienced professionals, fostering a dynamic exchange of ideas and perspectives, enriching the workplace environment. It's about blending digital fluency with seasoned judgment, creating a powerful synergy that drives innovation and efficiency. This isn't just about technical skills, it's about instilling values, fostering a culture of continuous learning, and building a foundation of trust and respect. Through mentorship, employees are encouraged to think creatively, collaborate effectively, and develop a sense of belonging within the organization. Ultimately, mentorship leads to success stories where both mentors and mentees achieve their goals and celebrate milestones together, creating a thriving workplace community. Innovation is the lifeblood of any successful company. It fuels growth, drives progress, and keeps businesses ahead of the curve. True innovation thrives on diversity of thought, perspective, and age. When people from different backgrounds come together, they bring unique ideas and solutions. An age-diverse workforce brings a rich tapestry of experiences and insights. Younger employees often bring fresh perspectives and tech savviness, while older employees contribute wisdom and experience. Older workers offer a unique historical lens through which to view challenges and opportunities. Their mentorship can guide younger colleagues through complex situations. Consider Target, which adapted store designs based on insights from mature workers. Their feedback was invaluable in creating a more accessible shopping experience. Changes, like wider aisles and larger signage, led to increased customer satisfaction and profitability. These adjustments made shopping easier for everyone, especially older customers. Embracing age diversity taps into creativity and innovation that drive real business results. It's a powerful strategy for any company looking to thrive in today's competitive market. It's a misconception that physical decline diminishes workplace value. Shifting focus to cognitive ability, experience, and wisdom reveals their increasing value over time. In construction, seasoned tradespeople's experience and judgment remain invaluable. Companies leverage their expertise in roles like mentoring apprentices or overseeing project management. This isn't about sidelining older workers. It's about evolving their contributions. Experience allows us to work smarter, anticipate challenges, and make sound judgments that save time and resources. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, share and subscribe for more content on maximizing workforce potential. We've explored the advantages of embracing an aging workforce, from soft skills to institutional knowledge. Their experience translates into lower turnover, reduced training costs, and mentorship opportunities. It's time to challenge our assumptions and recognize the power of mature talent.